Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial series on D04 microcontroller based system design lab course. In this lab, we are going to design some of the embedded systems. For designing embedded systems, we require an embedded target board or a microcontroller. So first of all, we are going to see which microcontroller or embedded target board that we are going to use in this particular lab. Then we will see what are the different features which are provided by microcontroller as well as the development board. After that, we are going to see what are the different IO peripherals are available onto this development board. And to work with this microcontroller as well as peripherals, we are going to see which softwares are available for designing the embedded systems and how we are going to use those softwares for designing our embedded system. And finally, we are going to see some of the examples how we can able to interface some IO devices. Let's start with the development board. So we are going to use this development board, which has a major component which is PIC18F4520 microcontroller. It also comes with 4x3 matrix keyboard. It also has 16:2 LCD display. It also has one potentiometer to interface with your ADC as well as one temperature sensor which is LM35. It also comes with 4 multiplex 7 segment display. It has RTC DS1307 IC for designing a digital clock. It also has one EEPROM memory storage where you can able to store your data. It has 8 LED interface to test your IO peripherals. It comes with one buzzer. It has one IR sensor. It also comes with CAN communication protocol as well as RS-232 communication protocol. So these are the features of your development board. Now we will see what are the different features of your PIC18F4520 microcontroller. First of all, this PIC18F4520 microcontroller has 5 ports, which is A, B, C, D and E. It also comes with 10-bit ADC with 13 analog input channels. It has one UART module, one I2C module and one SPI module. It also comes with 4 timers, one CCP module and one PWM module. It works at a frequency up to 40 MHz and it has a program memory of 32 KB and a data memory of 1.5 KB. And it also has one inbuilt EEPROM memory which has a size of 256 bytes. So these are the features of your microcontroller, and this is the pin diagram of your microcontroller which is PIC18F4520. As you can able to see in this picture, it is a 40 pin dual in line package. So this is pin number 1 to 20 and 21 to 40. So these are the pins like RA0, RA1 which are pins from port A. So likewise it has 5 ports. Some ports comes with 8-bit wide, some ports comes with 4-bit wide. So depending on the pins available, you can able to see different pins related to your IO ports. And this is the circuit diagram or schematic of your development board. So this is your microcontroller. Then there is a ADC, potentiometer, temperature sensor. This is a power supply section, 16:2 LCD display. Then there is a 7 segment display. There is one memory IC which is EEPROM. There is external interrupt button. There is a IR sensor, RTC IC. Then there are some of the LEDs. There is a keypad. There is one option for programming. Then there is a protocol RS-232. Then there are some input keys. So we are going to use all these peripherals in our labs. So this is the total schematic of your development board. Now we will see which softwares are available to work with this particular microcontroller. The first software is MPLAB IDE and the second one is MicroC Pro software. Out of these two softwares, we are going to use MPLAB IDE in this lab. So if you want to work with this microcontroller, you need to download this particular software and install it onto your system. So for downloading, you can use any browsers and search for MPLAB X IDE. Now you need to just click on this first link, which is www.microchip.com, and from this web page you can able to download your software depending on your operating system. One more thing that you need to download is which is compiler named as XC8. So search for XC8 compiler and you just click on this first link and download the MPLAB XC8 compiler. So just click on this compile download and you can able to get the download option for your compiler. So download these two softwares and install it onto your system. Now, what are the different uses of this IDE? By using this IDE, you can able to configure your development board or a microcontroller. You can also able to develop your application, and you can also able to debug and deploy the code onto your embedded target board. Now in the next session, we are going to see how we can able to create a project using MPLAB X IDE software.